program to add two numbers by allowing the user to enter this data through the keyboard. So we're gonna call this name add, like that, and there we go. So down here, you click here, and we want to have the user entering the values. So a comment data program to add two numbers. So first of all, we have to ask the computer to prepare memory, and that is what we call a variable. So we're gonna say int the num1, num2, and then you have the word sum or even add, like that. So we are going to ask the user to enter the values. So we would say printf enter the first number, and then we ask scanf, that is a function to read data from the keyboard because it's an integer. So we say send I, and then we refer ampersand, we refer to that particular num1, that is what we want, ampersand num1. Then we say this should be num2, just for uniformity, and I can copy this, then I will paste it. I need to terminate that statement. Enter the second number, I can have these ones beginning on a new line for better understanding of it, for better formatting, that is number 2. Then I'm going to say we want now to output this data. After doing that, so we are saying the sum is %i, like that. So here we call the addition, that is what we want. But remember, we have not done addition here, so we will say add is equals to num1 plus num2. Yes, that is how you do it. So let's build and test the program quickly. And there you go. Let's enter some number like 20 plus 10, 12, and then we have the sum is 40. That is not true. There's a logical error. Oh, that was num1 plus num1, should be num2. Yes. So let's again enter 20 plus 12. It is now 32, but there is a problem on how we have configured that file. Let's put this thing behind here. I think that would be better. Build. Okay, we are gonna build it again and run it, and there we go. 20 plus maybe 24, and that is it. The sum is 44. Good. That is how you do addition of numbers in a C program.